Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to share with you 7 tips on how to earn money fast. Whether you need extra cash for an unexpected expense, or you just want to boost your income, these tips will help you make money quickly. So, let's get started. Tip 1. Sell items you no longer need. One of the quickest ways to make money is to sell items you no longer need. You can sell clothes, electronics, books, and other items on platforms like eBay, Craigslist, or Facebook Marketplace. Just be sure to price your items competitively and take good photos to attract buyers. Tip 2. Participate in online surveys. There are many websites that pay you to take online surveys and provide feedback on products and services. While you won't make a lot of money, it's an easy way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. Some popular survey sites include Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Talina. Tip 3. Become a delivery driver. You can earn money quickly by becoming a delivery driver for companies like Uber Eats, DoorDash, or Postmates. You'll need a car or a bike, and a smartphone to receive delivery requests. You can work flexible hours and earn money for each delivery you make. Tip 4. Offer freelance services. If you have a skill like writing, graphic design, or programming, you can offer your services as a freelancer on websites like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. You can set your own rates and work on projects that interest you. Tip 5. Rent out a room or space. If you have extra space in your home, you can rent it out on Airbnb or other vacation rental websites. You can also rent out parking spaces or storage space if you have it available. This can be a great way to earn money without much effort. Tip 6. Do odd jobs for others. You can earn money quickly by doing odd jobs for others, like dog walking, house cleaning, or lawn care. You can find these types of jobs on websites like TaskRabbit, Craigslist, or Care.com. Just be sure to price your services competitively and provide excellent customer service to attract repeat business. Tip 7. Sell your skills on Fiverr or similar websites. You can sell your skills on Fiverr or similar websites by creating a gig that you offer for a certain price. This can be anything from writing a blog post, creating a logo, or editing a video. You can earn money quickly if you have a skill that's in demand. Conclusion. So, there you have it, 7 tips on how to earn money fast. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or need to make some extra cash quickly, these tips will help you reach your financial goals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more money-saving tips and tricks.